Hi, I'm Carol Simon and I'm here to share strategies to help network marketers grow their business online. So today I'm doing a short tutorial to focus on how to create effective Facebook ads that attract your target market. Now, who is your target market? Your target market is your ideal prospect, that person who will buy from you, that person who wants your product. So how can you read the mind of your target market? So these are the three simple steps to allow you to attract them to your product or your service. The first one is to identify with their pains and struggles. So what as a network marketer, what would be the typical pain and struggle? So these could be things like facing rejection, cold prospecting, running out of leads, having a demotivated team, um, feeling you're an introvert, not able to talk to people, not knowing what to say, not knowing how to close a conversation. These could be things that are seen as a struggle or a pain. And then second step of the process is to identify their desires or the benefits. So the benefits could be that you want more money, you want to have a motivated team, you want to generate leads, you want duplication. These could be things that are benefits or the desires that you're trying to achieve. And what's the third? And the third step is to use the appropriate language that your target market is familiar with or can relate to. So this could be the language could be something like top earner, rank advancing, recruiting, upline, downline, using the type of language that your target market, your prospect can identify with and can relate to, so they understand um, what they understand the purpose of your advert. So how do you bring all these three things together? You bring all these things together in the headline. The headline has to be punchy, it has to reel them in. So there's a formula that you can use that will give you that benefit, and the formula is how to blank without blank. The first blank is how to achieve a desire or achieve a benefit from the list that I produced earlier, or a bigger list of what you do, write down a list of the benefits, and to avoid, then the avoid would be to avoid something that's a pain or a struggle. So to pull this together, write down a list of all pains and struggles, write down a list of all the benefits and desires, and then come up with lots of words that your market are familiar with, and then come up with a punchy title, how to achieve a desire and avoid a pain. Now, all I can say is put into practice. I'm sure you'll see some traction on that type of advertising, and be willing to tweak and to change it to try and get the most reach, the bigger reach, and to get the relevance that you need there to reach your target market. So I hope you found this useful. Please like, share, and comment, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.